Hello.
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 We are headed to the coffee plantation for a tour. Headed up on the hillside above Kona, Hawaii. What do you call this tour that we're going on today?
This is just our driving tour.
Driving tour of the coffee plantation.
Yes. So I'll basically be driving you guys backwards through the coffee process. But this right here is this is our wet mill up here. That's our dry mill, and over in the visitor center, actually, if you heard that kind of rumbling earlier, was our roasting machine. So our roaster is at work.
Okay.
So yeah, I'll drive you guys by some coffee cherries and you guys can kind of see the process, but this is where we separate the cherry from the bean and take out the lower grade ones so that we can give you guys the best high quality coffee we have to offer. So one thing that makes Buddha's Cup have the flavor it has are these finger banana trees that are right over here. If you guys see those kind of purple flowers,
oh yeah,
once those drop, the bananas are ready. Oh, and these tall mossy looking trees over here.
What kind of tree was that?
Oh, that's a papaya tree.
Oh, nice,
Yeah.
papaya.
So part of our biodynamic farming is what we plant around the coffee that affects the taste of the coffee. So
okay.
That's really what distinguishes our flavors and gives. We have one coffee that we will add a syrup to in tandem with our rum cakes, just that buttered rum. So this is actually the start of our Imagine farm. So Imagine was an abandoned macadamia nut farm, and when we bought it up, we were using initially the macadamia nuts as just shade for our coffee beans, but we realized pretty quickly that it gave an entirely different flavor to beans. So from there, we just started to. That's where we started our Imagine brand.
And these are all the coffee trees right here.
Yes. Beans mature at different rates, and so you're always going to have to go back to the same tree a couple times to get more than a couple times, actually. That's undercutting it, just to get that everything that it has to offer.
Everything is hand picked, like those beans, those cherries are hand picked.
Yeah.
Wow.
So our pickers come out pretty much late September / early October to end of November or early December. And season pickers can get about 150 to 200 pounds a day of coffee.
Wow.
But yeah, green trees right here, and we have a couple papayas.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and so this is going to affect the taste of Kona Colada. We are now turning into our Kona Gold. If you look and see all the kicked up rocks and everything, that is courtesy of the boars.
Oh, you've got some wild boars here, huh?
Yes, so boars are actually legally a pest in the state of Hawaii. I'm sure you guys are familiar with boars. And just,
I am.
Pesky wildlife in Alaska.
We don't have boars in Alaska, but we've hunted them. We like hunting them.
Yeah. So it's actually it's completely legal to hunt boars, but depending on whose land you do it on, that's when you get into the issues of legality. Since they're pests, you're allowed to.
So do you guys try actively to thin them out?
He'll come up, but for the most part, especially since we're backed up against the reserve, it's one of those things that you just kind of accept is a part of life. For the most part, they don't really want to mess around with the coffee trees, and they're never doing it purposefully. They just want the avocados.
Well, they like, hogs like the avocados, not the coffee.
Exactly.
Okay. What's this tree right here?
Speaking of coffee, these are macadamia nuts. So these bulbs right here are macadamia nuts.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So Kona Gold is kind of the
like to give some special rights to those hogs that you've got running around here. I'd like to come back at night and take care of that for you.
Yeah. Eucalyptus trees.
Oh my god.
Rainbow eucalyptus.
Yeah. So that one and that one back there, those are all rainbow eucalyptus.
Holy cow.
They're
So pretty.
yeah, so they're indigenous to Australia.
That is insane.
Did she call it a rainbow tree?
Rainbow eucalyptus. Rainbow eucalyptus.
Strawberry. For real.
What am I smelling here? Is that roasting beans? I smell
Yes.
like smoke.
Yes,
Yeah.
that would be the roasting beans.
I wish you guys could smell that right now. It smells amazing.
Well, now we can go taste some. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So all of our coffees are color coordinated with our bags. These are chocolate covered pea berries, so those are going to be espresso beans, but a higher caffeine content. I'll explain a little more about pea berries in a second. These are macadamia nuts and chocolate covered macadamia nuts, and these are some of our dried finger bananas.
Wow.
Go with our Buddhist cup, and so I've made you guys a medium pea berry roast. So the difference between pea berries and
Picking lemons, just gotta find the one that's ripe.
I feel like that's a pretty good one.
Yeah, that one looks like
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That's a big lemon.
And
Wow.
that's pretty average size for this tree. You can get some that are like 2 soft.
That is a big lemon. I gotta get a shot of this bird, see if he'll talk to me. So what do you gotta say to get him to talk?
So Emma's not the talkative one. Cha-Cha, the green one in the corner.
Oh, this one.
We're talking to the wrong one. We were trying to get the other one to talk.
Well, hi there.
Oh, look at this. Yeah.
Well, hello.
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 Ever remembered that they're
so
descendants of
pretty.
dinosaurs?
That is a big beak.
Yeah.
Can you say pretty bird? A little shy for the camera.
Cha-Cha, have you been singing recently? I used to come out here in the mornings and sing with her just to see like what she would catch on to. She really liked Baby by Justin Bieber. Oh. Yeah? Sorry, am I not supposed to share that? There's no shame in it.
Are you mama one? Oh,
Okay.
okay.
I think she's copying my laugh.
She mimics laughter a lot.
Yeah.
Hi.
Sounds like she said Patrick.
Did you say Patrick?
Patrick?
Patrick? It's like you guys are retarded. You look like you're about ready to fall asleep. All right, we'll leave you alone. We're harassing you.
Oh, it's just the weird.
Now this looks like a hosta.
Look at this tree.
Well, we got done with the coffee tour. We got a pretty good buzz. Got an avocado and a big lemon, and on to the next.
Tasted a tangerine.
Tasted a tangerine, which is a lot better than the one over in Hilo.
Yeah.
And saw everything from banana trees to chocolate plants to I can't even name it all.
Papaya to eucalyptus.
Yeah, it was crazy. There's more tropical fruit and plants here than I've ever seen in my entire life. It's pretty cool.
Very neat.
Okay, on to the next adventure. All right, hit the subscribe, smash the like button, and follow along for more adventures. No, seriously, hit the like button and the subscribe. It helps a lot. So, appreciate it.
Talk to you later.
Talk to you later.